Maswera say Muri Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel. Apatinokupai nhau dzinenge matima nenyika yedu yeZimbabwe tingotikana kareke kutanga kako kuya pane channel. Please don't forget to subscribe. Kana uchinge wagara ukasubscribe, don't forget to comment and share this video. Tine nhau yatakuigirai muzuva ranhasi muri Zimbabwe. Now iri kunzi iyo there is a fresh plot to kill Vice President Constantino Chiwenga muri Zimbabwe. Hanzi nekuda kwekunyarara kwanga wakaita pana week 3 zvakonzeresa panic mubato reZANU-PF, and now they are planning to assassinate him because they don't know what he's planning and what he's thinking. Pane an open letter iri kunzi yabuditswa comrade Gajeni Ajanga, a liberation war hero in exile wabuda vachitaura vachiti, good afternoon fellow Zimbabweans. I come to you at this most critical and dangerous moment, bearing disheartening but fully verified information. Emerson and ZANU-PF have an active advanced plot to assassinate Vice President Chiwenga, serving and retired military generals, war veterans, and opposition leaders, all those seen as obstacles to forcing through CAP 3. I am putting this statement into the public domain now, so it stands as permanent witness in the days and weeks ahead. I implore every single one of you, do not take this letter, do not take this matter for granted. This is a matter of life and death. Emerson kills. He has done it before, and he will do it again without hesitation. I have it on good authority that this operation is led by Owen Muda, and they hold a detailed assassination menu listing multiple planned methods. First, bribe VP Chiwenga's own bodyguards and aides to poison him in secret. Second, bribe his bodyguard to place a toxic substance in his room while he sleeps. When he breathes it in, he will pass away in his sleep, and they will claim it was a heart attack or natural causes. Third, organize a deliberately 40 aircraft arrangement official travel around the country to avoid suspicion and stage a plane crash. Trusted associates, including Tino Machekairi, Christopher Mutsvangwa, and Monica Mutsvangwa, are marked to be sacrificed in the same incident to make it appear authentic. Fourth, hire a hitman to shoot VP while he addresses a public gathering. It breaks my heart to say this. The very commander who led the Operation Restore Legacy to remove dictatorship is now himself marked for elimination. Many of his loyal comrades have already been killed and lie at the National Heroes Acre. Those who remain are being bribed to turn against him, but those taking those offers do not know the true nature of Emerson. His rule is built on use and kill, use and dump. He used VP in 2017 for his own rise, and now that he has no further use for him, he wants him dead. Wake up, generals. Wake up before it is too late. If you allow yourselves to be used against him, you will be next on the list. You are being sent to your own end. Emerson and his allies say they are running out of time. They are racing to implement CAP 3 and have declared that anyone standing their way must be sent to the Heroes Acre first. Is this danger limited to the military? Also marked for the elimination are opposition leaders Jacob Ngarivume, Job Sikala, Tendai Biti, and Jameson Timber, alongside Reverend Kobakwashe Mtata, chairperson of the CDF organization, which represented citizens in the opposition in opposing these illegal constitutional amendments. All of you are seen as enemies of their plans. To you, named comrades and all opposition leaders, take extreme care. Do not attend unknown meetings you did not arrange yourself. Do not trust people who suddenly send messages saying they want to meet or find you. This is a known tactic used by ZANU-PF agents to set traps. Most importantly, never accept any bribe or offer of money from them. If you take it, they will frame you, arrest you, and then have you killed. Their gifts are bait for death. All these leaders, MPs and supporters are targeted to die in what will be staged to look like ordinary city accidents or natural deaths. I write this with great sorrow. I hate assassination and bloodshed. Our people deserve to live free, safe, and in dignity. Finally, I must add this warning. State security agents have repeatedly approached by spokesperson President anti-2030, trying to silence him. First, they offered 700,000 USD. Now they have upped their bribe to 1.5 million cash simply to make him stop exposing these crimes. I have told him clearly, these are not gifts, it's a trap. They are hunting him too, and if he takes their money, they will have his head on a platter. Never yield, never sell out. Let this later remain forever a record. The truth is out, and no plot can hide it forever. Pamberi ni Zimbabwe, pamberi nekubatana. Yours in the struggle, Comrade Kajeni Ajanga, Liberation Hero in Exile. Kumabuditsiro akatwa nawo muri Zimbabwe. Singazivi kuti ndeichokwadi ere kana kuti tiudziwo zvamunofunga mucomment section.
Tichiti makadi comrades. Makadi kwese kwamuri. Pano pa channel Geza Revolution AK Comrade Nox. Tinotenda zvikuru nokufara kuva tese panguva ino tiri pano pa revolution. Revolution idunga munhu, ndiwe neni, ndosaka tichiti iwe neni tine basa. Mukaona leadership yakanyarara, hazvirevi kuti vakapusa kana kuti havazivi zvavanoita. Pane zvinenge zvichirongwa nokurongwa nokufamba kwenguva. Saka ndino urombo neavo vanoda kuonererwa vachitaura mumagroups zvavanogona kutaura vachifunga kuti chinhu ichi hachina kwachiri kuenda. Asi kuti ndinokuyambirai kuti taura uchiziva pawakadzika nepawakananga. Tichitizve ihondo muchengete vana. Ndiri kubvura hangu muma audio kwese kunana Zim Revolution 1 Signal Action vari kubudikira vandaigara nichitaura kuti vanhu avo havana chinangwa cherevolution, vane chinangwa chokuputsa nokuparadza, vatinoti varakashi. Saka tinoti chimangotamba mukwenda kabata. Takuzivai, tokuzivai, tinopedzerana kana nguva yakwana. Saka nokudaro vana veZimbabwe kwese kwamuri, batanai ndochokutanga, kufamba nedonzvo rimwe chete nokuziva kuti tiri kubva kupi tiri kuenda kupi nechimurenga. Tinoona pa March yakataurika pamazuva mashomanene apfuura emusi wa31. March iyoyo yakanga isiri yedu isusu, asi kuti vakanga vari varakashi, vakanga vachitsvaka nzira dzekuita encounter kuti vanzwisise, vanzwe kuti isusu sevana verevolution tikufungei, uyezve what are we going to react, vagoita zvavanoita. Saka as long as zvisina kubva mudare rechimurenga, zvisina kubva kuleadership yedu, hazisi zvinhu zvatinofanira kuti ticonsider kana kutora into consideration. Kwete, dare rechimurenga ndosaka tichiti trust to your leadership and trust to the revolutionary processes. listening to one command. Ndo zvatinofanira kuti tizive nokuita. Musateerera maside shows. Maside shows anokonzeresa casualties. Maside shows anokonzeresa confusion. Maside shows anokonzeresa kuti vanhu vasave nokucommunicata. Communication is the best of all. Saka naipapo ndinoti rambai makamira ipapo nezimbabwe. Zvinhu zviri kunaka manje tichifamba nenzira dzamasoja. Taurai zvine tsika kuruzhinji rwavanhu. Tiri kuona zvedu imwe muri kuti mimi tiri varakashi, asi muchazvionera pamino sefotya kuti takamira takaita sei. Never think that kana vanhu vakanyarara muchiita mabiribobe enyu magroups imomo tiri kuona and muchazove answerable to whatever nonsense you might be talking, and you are ready for that very soon. Tinotenda vana veZimbabwe munoswera nyasha dzedenga. Trust your leadership and trust your revolutionary processes. Long nyaka siyaba here. Receive your blessings in the name of the people. I thank you.